Welcome to Dr. Balaga's God Knowledge Doc podcast, your quick dive into the latest medical breakthroughs to keep you ahead of the curve. Let's get started. Today is June 19, 2025. This video is on the biology of aging. It's a brief of the Scientific Advisory Board of the United Nations. Today, we'll be discussing aging biology from DNA to clinical implications. What is aging? There's two components to it, the clinical component and a biological component. The clinical component includes frailty, multimorbidity, and delayed healing. The biological component includes telomere attrition, DNA damage, proteostasis loss, cellular senescence, and chronic inflammation. The key takeaway is biological aging is not equivalent to chronological age. There are several epigenetic clocks, the Horvath clock, the Hannum clock, which predict mortality, cardiovascular disease, and surgical outcomes. They are used in trials as aging biomarkers. Inflammaging and immunosenescence. Inflammaging equals elevated IL-6, CRP, TNF-alpha. It drives cardiovascular disease, dementia, and sepsis risk. Anti-cytokine therapy, potentially dual use against inflammation and aging. Geroscience targets aging to prevent multiple diseases. Tools include mTOR inhibitors like rapamycin, caloric restriction mimetics, and stem cells. There is a paradigm shift in preventive medicine by targeting prevention of aging. Senolytics and reprogramming. Senolytics include dasatinib and quercetin, and they have been used in osteoarthrosis, pulmonary fibrosis, and Alzheimer's disease. Another strategy is using Yamanaka factors. Mouse trials show partial age reversal. Human clinical trials are pending. What's the role of AI in geroscience? Artificial intelligence predicts biological age, finds geroprotective drugs, models protein folding. Soon, aging metrics will be integrated in the electronic health record risk tools. What are the ethical and global implications? Longer lives, more stress on health systems, north-south disparity and gender-biased risk inequity, calls for democratized longevity. Future directions, a combination strategy including lifestyle, pharmacology, and artificial intelligence. Physicians must guide aging science, not just react to it. Finally, we are managing time, not just disease. The biology of aging equals common soil for all chronic illnesses. Stay curious, stay young. More in this UN document available online. If you enjoyed this episode, share it with your colleagues. When we change how we see disease, we change how we shape lives. Until next time, stay curious, stay compassionate, and keep seeking wisdom. Podcast brought to you by Master MedFacts at mastermedfacts.com.